Meet the Bmani T16 Wireless Earbuds designed for a secure fit, clear sound, and reliable performance on the go. With long battery life, stable connectivity, and a smart LED case, they're perfect for workouts, calls, and daily use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Bmani T16 Wireless Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. Product overview. How to wear. Take out rear bud to wear on the right ear. The ear hooks are adjustable. You can bend them to fit your ears more tightly if in need. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Take both Bmani T16 earbuds out of the charging case. They'll automatically power on and pair with each other. Then, open your phone's Bluetooth settings, find T16, and tap to connect. Smart features? Take both earbuds out of the charging case, and they will power on and pair with each other automatically. This makes connecting to your device quick and hassle-free. Maintains a strong and reliable wireless connection, ensuring uninterrupted music and clear calls. Supports quick pairing with your device for a seamless listening experience. Ergonomically designed to stay in place during workouts or daily activities, provides all-day comfort without causing ear fatigue. Offers extended listening and talk time on a single charge. The charging case provides extra power to keep your earbuds running throughout the day. Shows the remaining battery level clearly at a glance, keeps you informed, and ensures your earbuds are always ready to use. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Bmani T16 Wireless Earbuds? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bmani T16 Wireless Earbuds. See you at the next one.